There are moments that will live in infamy. The Gettysburg Address, Babe Ruth's shot heard around the world, when mankind landed on the moon. Well, move over Buzz and move over Babe. Josh and Hannah are about to take the stage in front of thousands of people. Collectively, they've put in tens of minutes of practice leading up to this moment. But maybe you're wondering, how did we get right here with Josh and Hannah going for the top spot, the best in their... Wait, they're not even trying to be good. They're just... mediocre?
We are super pumped and so excited to start Mediocre Class. That's all we can aspire to, and so let's get started. We're Josh and Hannah, and of course we are joined by none other than We the Kingdom.
Hey. Come on.
Wow, you guys, thank you for being here and for cramming on that tiny couch. Andrew is going to teach us one chord and maybe an additional tip here today. So, what do you got?
I'm going to teach you the chord of G because probably one of the easier chords and most used
So
chords.
this should come really easy to you.
Yeah, it should be natural. It should just flow.
No pressure. No
All right,
pressure.
so here's what you're going to do. On the 3rd fret, everything's on the 3rd fret, so if that's helpful.
First of all, what's a fret? Thank you.
Okay, let's start at the beginning.
Where we're at.
Don't fret, man. Just teach it.
The fret is technically that metal bar right there, but when I say like the 1st fret, it's going to be before the metal bar, right?
All right.
So 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, as long as you're, and it
It's a
helps.
gappy thing. We're gonna call it the gap.
Gap, the 3rd gap, the 3rd gap, I like it. All right, so you're gonna put your pinky at the very bottom, on the bottom string, right there. Then you're gonna put your, is that your ring finger or index finger? I forget what.
Ring.
That'll be your ring.
Ring.
Yeah.
That's all.
The next finger, up there. All right, so the bottom 2 strings.
Hey.
I don't know what that is.
There's no ring on that
No
finger.
ring on
Okay.
All right, so both fingers right there on the 3rd fret, and then your middle finger will go all the way up on the top.
You said this is the easiest chord.
Well, probably not. It's one of the easy. It's one of the most used chords in most music, and one of the easier chords. All right. So there you go, right there. And it helps if you kind of like get the position and take it off a little bit, and then put it back on, so you kind of get used to putting your fingers on together. So I kind of like when I'm telling people how to play it, I have them take their hand off, slowly put it back on, take it off, and do it a few times until you're used to doing that motion, right?
Okay. So 3rd gappy thing you said. So that's here.
Yeah.
Okay. Pinky towards.
Perfect.
Then
listener.
right above.
Yes, girl. Come
Okay.
on,
Then
girl.
am I all the way up here?
All the way up there.
The top one.
Well, here's what you need to know. You got to arch your fingers enough so that you're not touching
Yep.
lower
Guys,
Yeah.
I have like real gross long old lady fingers.
No,
So
No, that's
let's
great.
see.
There you go. Now you're doing it.
Now
Here?
strum
Oh,
How am I
that thing.
strong?
Press really hard. Press really hard.
you press
Pressing
really hard with your left hand
and then
you
just
just
strum with my thumb.
drop down.
Is that
Got it.
Beat that.
You got that.
Okay. I didn't know it was a competition.
It's a competition. Of course
All right.
it is. Everything is.
Okay. 3rd fret here.
Yep.
Got to glue the fingers
There
there
you go. Oh, come on, dude. You're
and up there.
That was too fast. That was too fast.
Yes.
Well, I saw you do it though.
Okay, because I'm sweating.
I have a great teacher, Hannah. It's
Andrew
him.
did it.
It's him.
There you go. All right, give it a strum. Just. Hey!
Very good. Good.
Just for fun.
Oh, okay. Bonus time.
This is bonus time. We're gonna teach you. We're gonna try to teach you a song.
Oh my. Okay.
Louie Louie. Do you know this song?
I do. I know. Do you know that song? No, she's
It's
too
an
young.
old school song.
Okay. Yep.
Make the original chord.
Okay. third gappy.
Okay, so just go 3 downs. Okay, and then take your middle finger, don't move the other 2, and just move your middle finger to the next string.
Down.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
That.
And then strum that twice. Down, down. So 3 on the first one, down, down, down. 2 on the second one,
Oh
down,
my gosh.
down.
I see what you're doing here.
Come on.
What?
Now,
What?
now, just keep that formation. Keep that on
Okay.
there.
Oh, Ed's
Slide it up to here.
That's going. That's
How,
going
here?
Yep.
He's.
And then hit that twice, or
No, 3 times.
times.
Okay.
Hitting just there. Yeah.
Ju-
Yeah.
And then back here, and then like that.
Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2,
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2.
Oh, that was terrible.
Yeah, you're good.
Come on. That's it, guys.
Ow! That hurts so bad.
I can't even be mad. I'm not. We need to end on a high note, and that was it.
I think you're joining us on stage tonight.
No, I am not.
Y'all both crushed it.
You guys are
Thank you all very much. It is mediocre class, and I need Band-Aids.
Hey, it's Haley from the River Afternoon Show. This is my dog Trout. What'd you think of that video, buddy? True, could have used more dogs. Would you still like and subscribe though? Oh, right. But you have thumbs. Probably like and subscribe.